I wanted to share with you now is some of the feedback that we gathered from both teachers and students. One thing I would like to mention at the parent showcase that I attended, one of the things that both the students and the parents said is the students did not want the summer school to end. They absolutely loved it, and they were just really sorry to see that it had ended. They were hungry to learn more, and that's what we really want, is for them to have that thirst for knowledge and to really encourage some of these STEM careers. And the parents had just wonderful things to say as well. Here are some feedback that we have gathered from our different teachers, and some of the things that they talked about, that the students were super engaged, that they really enjoyed the work in the defined learning modules. And this was in all of the grades, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. And we should share that we had a primary module that the students worked on, but we had a secondary module that teachers could instruct from as well. One of the other things that they thought was the website was easy to navigate for both them and the students. It has a nice flow to it. They have a task plan that lays out the entire module, giving them some time frames and things of that nature. They felt like they were very supported by defined learning. When there were questions and so forth, they could have them answered. And another piece that they really liked was the fact that there were rubrics and the standards that were all there for each of the products. And that there were a choice of the different products, and you could customize it to implement all of the projects or just some of the projects, whatever would meet your student needs. And there was a teacher that was implementing the monarch butterfly entomology module, and she just loved it. Her kids loved it, and she loved every aspect of the curriculum. So positive feedback overall from our teachers, our parents, and our students.